Hi, my name is Peter Nelson, and I am an instructor of geography and geospatial sciences at Oregon State University in the United States. And I'm also the science lead for land cover in NASA's new Globe Observer Citizen Science app. What I'd like you to consider is a world where students and adults are active participants in the science of mapping, measuring, and monitoring our home planet. And I'd like to introduce you to this program that NASA has been running for 23 years. And it's specifically meant to help satellite images and remote sensing science. In particular, the number of countries that have students taking data that can help in the science that I've been seeing everybody talk about today is something that I hope you will take advantage of. When we're talking about uncertainties in models, maybe you can actually send some students out to help you collect some measurements. This database has over 150 million measurements that will work with a lot of the projects that people have been talking about here. And so the GLOBE program is actually part of NASA's Earth Science Division. It's not under the education department, education arm. It is specifically under the NASA Earth Science Division to help us understand Earth as a system, as well as specific pieces of that, including atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, pedosphere, all the things that people have been talking about today. And within this, there's 50 protocols that you can use. And so the big difference here is we have a teacher-led side of things, which has field measurements and protocols, but then we have the citizen science side of things. And a couple examples of how these connect is, if you have questions about clouds, we actually have the largest area of clouds and observations in the NASA archives. We have Mosquito Habitat Mapper, which will connect up to the predictions of mosquitoes. In particular, when we look at watercolor, we have some protocols specifically on those measurements. And my area of interest is land cover. And so here, what I'm looking at is the ways that we can actually use Land Trender to send people out to locations and use the new, there it is, use the new land cover app to actually help us validate these locations. And so when there's concerns about sample design, again, these are opportunities that you can take advantage of with all of these students and citizen scientists out there collecting data. And so I encourage you to go explore the data, join this community, teach the world, and connect the planet. Thank you.
Questions? All right.
Go check out the website.
Thanks.